Hello, this is Mark from Herefordshire Weather Watch. This is the Storm Watch YouTube channel. I'm just pulling up at the old bridge to check the water level. At time of editing, which is 9:58, the river height is 4.7 meters, so it's dropped quite a bit. As you can see, it's dropped a lot. Yesterday I could barely see the arches. I'm just taking a thumbnail for the video. Now I'm off to Hinton Road. And this is now clear all the way up. I can just about see over the hedgerow, and the water has receded back from the wall. That's where the policeman was yesterday. I'm really trying to break my neck so you can see, but the camera's on the wrong side of the helmet. You can't really see it in the video, I don't think, but there's a lot of debris on the road and a few more potholes than there was. I think most of these homes are flooded out, unfortunately. On the left side anyway. We're just coming up to a little roundabout. This was all underwater yesterday, and now it's clear. Home Lacey Road has a flood sign, so I thought I'd pop up. I think this is Putson Avenue, which runs alongside Home Lacey Road. And it's clear on the other side of the road all the way up to the junction, where there still is standing water, but cars seem to be getting through fine. We're about to see where the water level was, which is right there. Left a bit of mess behind. Now we're on Wimborne Road. I didn't get this far yesterday because it was flooded out, but I'm sure that all of this bridge was flooded and it's now clear. This road's terrible on a bike. Now we're coming towards the Seven Stars pub in Clihonga. It was flooded over yesterday, and now it's clear. A small amount of standing water here, but it's nothing. Now we're on the way to Madley. There is some standing water. water across the road. Coming towards Mildley Village now. There is some standing water. And it is across the road, but it's not very deep. This kind person has actually waited for me to pass, which doesn't happen very often. And we're into the village. Thank you for watching. I will be doing a giveaway of a weather station once I reach 1,000 subscribers. To be in with a chance of winning that weather station, you need to subscribe to the channel and comment on this post, the one on Facebook. Comment subbed, and that will be an entry. Drive safe.